Yes. Good morning, children. Good morning. We have learned the parts of speech up to preposition in the last class. Isn't it or not? Yes. Isn't it or not? Then let me go with once again. Now I'll recall the class. I will review the class and again I will go through the conjunction and the remaining parts of speech. Okay. Yes. What is meant by noun? What is meant by parts of speech? The words what we are talking will comes under this parts of speech. Whatever the words we are speaking or we are talking will comes under this 8 types of parts of speech. Okay, as we all know, there are 8 types of parts of speech. Yes, isn't it or not? What are they? First one is noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. And interjection. Yes, first one is noun, second one is pronoun, third one is verb, fourth adjective, fifth adverb, sixth preposition, seventh conjunction, and eighth interjection. Whatever the words we are talking or speaking will comes under this 8 types of parts of speech. What are the words we are talking? Then you all must remember that what is a word? What is a word? A group of letters. A group of letters is called as word. A group of letters is called as word. Okay, a group of letters, say along with me, a group of letters, a group of, say along with me, a group of letters is called a word, is called a word. Okay, the words what we are speaking will comes under this 8 parts of speech, 8 parts of speech. First one is noun, first one is noun. As we all know that all the naming words will comes under noun, all the naming words will comes under noun. Noun is nothing but naming word. Noun is nothing but naming word. Have you all noted down in the last class? Yes? If it is yes, means just nod your heads. Yes? Yes. First one is noun. The name of a person, place or animal or thing. Particularly the names of person, place, animal or thing will comes under noun. And what is pronoun? Which is used instead of a noun. Which is used instead of a noun to avoid the repetition. To avoid the repetition of the names in a sentences or in a paragraph. In a sentence or in a paragraph. And next verb. Verb is nothing but action word. Verb is nothing but action word. Whatever the things we are doing, the verb, whatever the work we are doing, such words will comes under verb. Such words will comes under verb. Verbs are nothing but action words. Verbs are nothing but action words. Verbs are nothing but action words. And next, adjective. What is this? Adjective. What is this? Adjective. Adjective is a word which describes a noun. Which describes a noun. What is the meaning of describing? What is the meaning of describing? Give some information about the noun in a sentence. About the noun in a sentence. Okay. And next, adverb, which describes the verb and it also tells how the work done, where the work done, and when has the work done. Okay, how, where, and when something has done. Something has done. Next, preposition. It just placed before a noun. It just placed before a noun. Okay, prepositions are nothing but which were placed just before a noun, and it shows the relationship between the two nouns in a sentence. Between the two nouns in a sentence. In the last class, up to here, we have learned, isn't it or not? So let me go on with conjunction now. What is this? Conjunction. Let us discuss about the conjunction. Keep the heading as conjunction. Conjunction is a word which is used to join two words which is going to conjunction is a word which is used to join two words or two sentences. Conjunction is a word. Write down the definition. Conjunction is a word which is used to join two words or sentences. Two words or sentences. Or you can simply remember that conjunction is a word which is used to join two sentences. Which is used to join two sentences. Write down the definition. Conjunction is a word which is used to join two sentences or two or more sentences. We can also write two sentences or two or more sentences. Write down the definition. Conjunction is a word which is used to join two or more sentences or two sentences. Okay, write down the example. She is absent today because she is not well. See, here in this sentence, she is absent today. is sentence 1. Okay. She is absent today is sentence 1. She is not well is a sentence 2. Okay. Sentence 2. She is absent today is sentence 1. She is not well is sentence 2. These two sentences are combined with the word because. With the word because. So this word because is conjunction. So this word because is conjunction because it joins two sentences. Because it joins two sentences. This is sentence 1 and this is sentence 2. What is sentence 1 here? She is absent today. She is absent today. What is sentence 2 here? She is not well. She is not well. Okay, these two sentences are combined with the word because. So the word because is conjunction. Okay, conjunctions are nothing but the words which are used to join two or more sentences. Two or more sentences. Write down one more example. Is he rich or poor? Is he rich or poor? Is he rich or poor? Write down. Now copy the definition along with the examples. I'll make a note, write down the examples, write down the definition and read the definition along with me. Conjunction is a word which is used to join two sentences. Which is used to join two sentences. I'll give you 1 minute time. Just make a note of the definition along with the example. Shall I clear the board? Shall I? If you have completed or if you have written, just show me your books. Just show me your books if you have completed. Just show me your books if you have completed. Still. Show me your books if you have completed. Okay, put down your books. Put down your books. Now, let us discuss about interjection. Yes, here, an interjection is a word An interjection is a word An interjection is a word which is used to express or which expresses sudden feelings. Which expresses sudden feelings. Sudden feelings of joy, sadness, wonder. Yes. Now read the definition. An interjection is a word which expresses sudden feelings of joy, sadness, wonder. Yes. Again read the definition. An interjection is a word which expresses sudden feelings of joy, sadness, wonder. Make a note of the definition. Yes, and these interjections will always follow an exclamation mark. Interjections will always follow an exclamation mark. What is this? This is called as exclamation mark. This is called as exclamation mark. This is called as exclamation mark. What is this? Exclamation mark. Then what is this? What is this? Exclamation mark. What is this? Exclamation mark. So now right here, interjections will follow. Interjections will follow exclamation marks. Exclamation marks. Interjections will follow exclamation marks. Interjections will follow exclamation marks. This is called as exclamation mark. Exclamation mark means this. Okay. Write down now. Write down. I'll give the examples. An interjection. Interjection. An interjection is a word which expresses sudden feelings of joy, sadness, wonder. And wonder. Interjections will follow exclamation marks. Interjections will follow exclamation marks. Like this. Okay, that is called as exclamation mark. Okay, all the interjections will follow exclamation mark. All the interjections will follow exclamation mark. Now I will tell you the examples. If you have written, just show me your books. I'll erase the board. If you have written, just show me your books. I'll erase the board. Okay. Shall I? Write down the examples for interjection. Example. Hello, you're most welcome. You're most hooray, we won the match. Hooray, we won the match. lost the match. Here, if you observe, hello, if we saw someone suddenly, oh wow, hi, hello, we used to express such type of sudden feelings, isn't it or not? Yes, such words will come under hello. Hooray, if we won something, what we will say? Hooray, we won the match. Yes, if it expresses happiness, that means joy. Hooray is the word which expresses joy, joy. That means happiness. That means happiness. Here, alas, alas, we lost the match. It expresses sadness. Wow, ouch, we lost the match. Alas, we lost the match. Worrying about something. It's a word expressing sadness. Alas is the word express sadness. Hooray is the word express happiness. Okay. Hello is surprisingly if we went to some other place and we saw our friend there. Okay. We used to surprise. Wow, my friend. Wow, wow, wow. We used to say like that, isn't it or not? Yes, such sudden feelings or such expressions will come under interjections. Okay. So just make a note of all the examples. In the meanwhile, I'll clear the board. After this, I'll clear the board. Those who have returned, show me your books. Those who have returned, just show me your books. And then only I'll continue with the class. Then only. Yes, still some more students are not showing your books. What happened? Yes, Shrija. You didn't show me a book. Yes. So, everybody have returned. Shall I go on with another topic? Yes. So, up to now, we have completed the parts of speech. How many alphabets are there in our English language? 26, isn't it or not? A to Z. 26. A to Z. How many alphabet? 26. 26. We should pronounce A to Z as alphabet. As alphabet. Alphabet. We have to pronounce it like alphabet. It's right. We should not pronounce like alphabets. This was wrong. Okay, we should not add S. We should not add S to A to Z 26 letters. We should not add S. We have to pronounce like alphabet. We have to pronounce like alphabet. Okay, so these 26 alphabets are divided into or classified into how many types? Are classified into how many types? Yes, these 26 alphabets are classified into two types. There are vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants. Vowels and consonants. 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 Just tell me the spelling. V-O, W-E-L-S-L-S. Vowels. Consonants. C-O-N-S-O-N-A-N-T-S. S consonants. Once again, tell with me. VOWELS, ovals. Consonants. CONSONANTS, consonants. As we all know, what are the vowels? AE, IOU, and consonants are the remaining B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Consonants are 21 in number. Vowels are 5 in number. Consonants are 21 in number. Vowels are 5 in number. 5 in number. Okay. So, vowels. What are the vowels here? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. And the remaining, except this A, E, I, O, U, all the remaining letters will come under consonants. Okay. So, up to now, we have discussed about there are 26 alphabet, and these 26 alphabet are classified into two types. There are vowels and consonants. Okay. Vowels and consonants. Vowels are 5 in number and consonants are 21 in number. Okay. This singly called as a single letter, A is a single letter, R is a single letter, R is a single letter, O is a single letter, W is a single letter. Yes? These letters are combined or joined to form as a word that is narrow. To form a word. Okay. Now you got clear? Group of letters is called word. Group of letters means what? Word. Group of letters. What is this called? What is the group of letters called? Group of letters word. Then group of sentence words. Okay. Write the definition here. I'll write on the board. Sentence. Keep the heading topic 2. Keep the heading topic 2. Topic 2. Sentence. Keep the heading. Write down a group of words. A group of words which are arranged meaningfully is called a sentence. Sentence. Write down the definition. Keep the heading as sentence. Keep the heading as sentence. Topic 2, sentence. Just keep the heading. As we have already learned about the parts of speech in the previous class, let us go to the topic sentence. Okay. Is that clear? Yes. Write down the definition. A group of words which are arranged meaningfully is called a sentence. Is called a sentence. You have to by heart the definitions. What are the definitions I gave for the parts of speech? The 8 types of parts of speech, you have to by heart the definitions and you have to remember all the 8 definitions. Is that clear what I'm saying? Is that clear? You have to remember all the 8 definitions. You have to remember, you have to by heart it and you have to study. You have to read. You should not forget it. Okay. Now read the sentence here. A group of words which are arranged meaningfully. Which a group of words which are arranged meaningfully is called a sentence. Is called a sentence. Now let me give the example once. See here. For example, if I write like this. Boy running playground in the does this sentence contain any meaning? Does this sentence contain any meaning? Boy running playground in the as I have already told you, a group of words which are arranged meaningfully. Which are arranged meaningfully is called a sentence. So I write like this. Boy running playground in the. Is this correct sentence? No. Is this the correct sentence? Boy running playground in the. Is this correct sentence? No. Yes? Then what is the correct sentence? What is the correct sentence? The boy is running in the boy is running in the playground. In the ground or playground. Running in the playground. The boy is running in the playground. Now, is this correct sentence? Isn't it or not? So, have you written this example and the definition of the sentence? Have you written or not? Just show me your books. If you have written, just show me your books. Make it fast. Everybody should show your books. Make it fast. Make it fast. Someone. Yes? Okay. So, we will discuss the types of sentences in the next class. Okay? I'll close the session.
Good morning, children. In the previous class, we have learned about some divisions. We have divided some numbers by two-digit numbers. Yes. Two-digit numbers, we have completed, children, division by two-digit numbers. Now we are going to do the division by three-digit numbers. By three-digit numbers, children. So, division. Children, see here any number divided by 1. We get same number as the quotient. So example, 9 divided by 1, we get 9. 10 divided by 1, we get 10 itself. As the quotient. Copy, children, everyone. Any number divided by 1, we get the same number. Children, are you all clear with my handwriting? Is it okay to you, everyone? Yes? Any number divided by 1, we get same number as the quotient. Example, have you all completed your homework, yesterday's homework, children? I have given you yesterday's homework. Shall I clear the board, children? Shall I clear the board? Yes. Now we have 264,950 divided by 263. You have to divide by 263, children. So see here 263, 264,950. Yes. Children, observe here 263, 2,64,950 should be divisible by 263. We have to do the division now. Yes? So first of all, in dividend, if you are taking 2, we know that 2 is less than 263. So another place value also you have to take 26. So 26, 263, 26 is less than 263. So again we have to consider 3 digits, children. We have to consider 3 digits, 2, 6, 4. Yes? So in 263 table, do we get 264 or not? So 263 ones are 263. Yes? Yes, children, we have to do the subtraction because we know that division is nothing but repeated subtraction. So what we have to do here? We have to do the subtraction. So 4 minus 3, we have 1. 6 minus 6, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So no need to write that zeros. So simply we will write 4 minus 3 is 1. Again bring another digit down. 1, 9. So again in 263 table we will not get 19. So what we have to do? We have to bring another digit down. 195. Again 195. So now as we are bringing two digits down at a time, we have to keep 1 0. We have to keep 1 0 in the quotient. Yes children, as we are bringing two digits from the dividend to down, so what we are doing? We are keeping 1 0 and next 195 is also less than. So again bring another digit down. So again what we have to do? We have to keep another digit, another 0 in the quotient place. As we are bringing two digits at a time, two zeros you have to consider. Now you see 263 table. When we are checking with 263 7 0. 7 3s are 21, 7 6 are 42 plus 2, 44, 7 2s are 14 plus 4, 18. So we are going with 1, 8, 4, 1. What is the remainder you get? 10 minus 1, 9, 4 minus 4, 0, 9 minus 8, 1. So 109 is the remainder. This is the remainder and this is quotient. Copy children everyone? Children, I am explaining you again. Focus, everyone. So we have 264950 as the dividend. We have to divide it by 263. So as we are dividing by 263, we have to consider three digits first of all. So we have 263 ones, 263. The remainder is 1. Bring 9 down, okay? But 19 is less. Again you have to bring 5 down. So 195 is again less. As you are bringing another digit down, so what you have to keep? In the quotient 1 0 you have to consider. Next, another 0 also you are bringing down. So you have to keep another 0 in the quotient place. So we are left with now 1950 children. 1950. Now we have to check in 263 table we are getting that particular number or not. So for that we are checking with 7 table. You can go on checking children. You can see 263 8 also. If you are taking 8 it becomes more. Okay. So what we are doing? We are considering 263 7 1841 and the remainder is 109. That's all. Okay. You can check here 263 8 8 3s are 24, 8 6s are 48 plus 2 50, 8 2s are 16 plus 5 we have 21. $2,104 we have. So we will go with 1841. Did you all understand children how we have solved it? Shall I add the board? Shall I wipe off the board? Yes children? Everyone should sit and write, children. Shall I rub? Yes. Now we have 511,480 divided by 200. 511,480 divided by 200. So we know that already we know two table. So just we will write two more zeros to it. That's it. So we are going to consider it as 200 What is 200 children? 0, 0 to 2 is 4. So we are going to write it as 400. Now the remainder is what? 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 5 minus 4, 1 we have. So bring 4 down. So again you check it with 200 5 500, 500, 5 2 is 10. 1000. So 200 5 we have 1000. Again do the subtraction. 4, 1, 1, bring 8 down. So 200 5 again we have 1000. 8 minus 0, 8, 4 minus 0, 4, 1 minus 0, 1. Again bring down. 207 7 2 is 14. So we have 1400. The remainder is 0, 8. 80 is the remainder, is the quotient. Copy everyone. Yes, children, shall I clear the board? 4070208, that is 40,70,208 should be divisible by 765 children. So we have to start the division. 765 answer, we have 765. So now let us check, children. Yes. So let us start. So when we are checking 765 Pfizer, 5 Pfizer 25, 5 6 30, 30 plus 2 we have 32, 5 7 35 plus 3 38. So we have 765 Pfizer 3825. Do the subtraction. 10 minus 5 we have 5. 6 minus 2 we have 4. So again borrow. 10 minus 8 we have 1. So 1452. 10 minus 8 we have 2. 2452 children. Let us check 765 3s. 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18 plus 1 19, 3 7s are 21 plus 1 22. When we are checking with 765 4s, it will become more. Okay, greater. So what we are doing? 765 3s. 2295. So 12 minus 5 we have 7. Here 4. Again 14 minus 9 5. Here we have 3. 3 minus 2 1. So bring again 0 down. 1570. So we will go with 765 2s. 765 2s. 12 13 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. 1530. So here we have 0, 7 minus 3, 4, 5 minus 5, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. No need to worry about this. Now what we are left with? We are left with 8, 408. So what we have? 765. I mean this is less 1. 408 is less than 765. But what we have done, children, focus everyone. This is the main step you have to follow. This is the main step you have to follow, children, here. In 765 table, we won't get 408. But what is 765 zeros? It is 0. So 0, 0, 0. What is the remainder? 408 is the remainder. Understood? So like this, when we are doing, why we are doing in that way? Why? Because from dividend we are bringing one digit down. Okay. So if we are bringing one digit down, what you have to do? You have to divide. I mean, you have to multiply 765 zeros. So we have 0. So we have the remainder as 408. 408. If you can't see the down, I'm going to write here, children. 408,000, 408 as the remainder. Children, note down your homework. Learn and write 2 to 10 tables up to 15 steps. This is your homework, children. 2 to 10 tables up to 15 steps. This is your homework, children. 2 to 10 tables, everyone should read and write without seeing. After reopening of the school, compulsorily, the maths teachers are going to ask you the tables. Very, very important, children. If you want to learn multiplications and divisions, compulsorily you have to get tables. Noted. And randomly, whenever we ask, you should be answerable. Two to 10 tables, up to 15 steps, everyone should be perfect, children. So you have to learn up to 15 steps. Copy these multiplications also. Children, now we have another division. Yes. What shall we do now? First of all, 892, 892. Do the subtraction. 6 minus 2, 4. Borrowing subtraction. 14 minus 9, we have 5. Bring 0 down. Another 0 also down. And you have to keep in quotient 0. Yes, children? 2 digits when we are bringing down, so we have to keep 0 in the quotient. 5,400. So 892, 6 6 2s are 12, 6 9s are 54, 55, 6 8s are 48 plus 5, 53. 6 6Z, 5352. What is the remainder? 10 minus 2, 8. We are left with 9. 9 minus 5, 4. 3 minus 3, 0. No need to write. 5 minus 5, 0. We are bringing again 3 down from dividend. One digit is left over. So what we have to do, children? What we have done in the previous division, the same method we are going to follow now. So 892 it is less, but what we have to do? Zeros. So 0, 0, zeros. So we get the remainder as 483. Whenever, children, be careful whenever we are bringing from dividend down, and if it is less than divisor, what we have to do? We have to keep 0 in the quotient. 0 in the quotient. All of you copy the multiplication also. Homework problems, children. 2 problems I am going to give you. The first one is 148 3005 divided by 165. And next one 25870 divided by 234. 1483005 divided by 165, 25870 divided by 234. These are the homework problems, children. Yes, children, these are the divisions. By 3 digit we have learned, by 2 digit also we have learned. Do you have any doubts now? Do you have any doubts, children? Yes? Do you have any doubts? Anyone? Yes, Abhigya?
I didn't understand this division, ma'am.
Which one?
Division, ma'am.
Which one?
Fourth one, ma'am.
This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Where did you understand? Where you did not understand? Here 892 ones, we have 892
10.
The remainder is 4 and we have 5 here, 54. 54 is less than 892. Bring 1 0 down. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 540 again it is less than 892. You have to bring another 0 down.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, as we are bringing 2 digits down, you have to keep 1 0 in the quotient.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, so we are doing again the subtraction. 10 minus 2, 8, we have 9 minus 5, 4. Again you are bringing 3 down, yes? So 483 is less than 892. But from dividend we brought 1 digit down. So for that what we have to keep? In quotient we have to keep 1 0. Okay. So 892 zeros are zeros. What is the remainder? We have 483. That's all. Okay. Yes, Abhigya? Next. Who is that speaking?
Madam, is checking.
Yes.
Madam,
Anita.
hands with them.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, who is that speaking? Sirisha?
Hi, ma'am.
Yes, yes, hi. What is your doubt?
I'm Bhavya, ma'am.
Yeah.
Fourth sum, ma'am.
Fourth sum just now I have explained. You do one thing, Amma. The 2 homework problems you do. Okay? So that easily you can understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Prakash? Prakash? Next, Abhijit? Yes, Abhijit? Yes, children, with this we are going to end the session. You all of you try to solve those 2 problems. You just follow whatever the problems I have explained you just now. Yes? Copy the problems, children, everyone. So I told you 2 important tasks you have to complete. One is divisions and another one is tables you have to learn, children. Very important, okay? So when you are solving these 2 problems, you just follow the methods which I have told you just now. When you are following that methods, you can easily get divisions, children. Fine? Because after starting the syllabus, you are going to do the divisions of 3-digit numbers. So better all of you learn now itself. Fine, children. Thank you so much. Bye.